everyone, it's Coach Austin here coming to you with hyper strength and conditioning. And today we're going over the Kettlebell Snatch. Now this movement is great for generating power through the hips, but also working on coordination as we will be snatching the kettlebell up top. All right, it is a power type movement, but done for a long enough time or a certain amount of reps, it becomes a strength endurance type of workout, which is really interesting. But it also challenges your shoulder girdle strength and mobility. Now, if you cannot press overhead correctly with your bicep by there without thrusting your chest forward and arcing your back, I wouldn't suggest doing the kettlebell snatch yet. Let's focus on opening up that shoulder. If you need help with that, check out our mobility series for the shoulder and T-spine, or basically shoulder girdle, and it'll help you kind of open up pathways in your joints. All right, so for everyone else who can do this movement or very interested in doing this movement, kettlebell snatch is gonna start off with this. You need to learn the kettlebell swing. So if you haven't done that, there's so many prerequisites to this movement. If you haven't done the kettlebell swing, go back and learn the kettlebell swing. After you learn the kettlebell swing, come back to this video and I will show you how to do the kettlebell snatch. For everyone else caught up, here's what to do. All right, so with the kettlebell snatch, all right, I'm gonna show you in real time how it works. Just like we learned in the kettlebell, you gotta hike it back, right? But this time we're gonna do one arm. The other arm is gonna be out back here, all right? I'm going to start swinging. Notice that my feet are shoulder width, or hip width apart actually, hip width apart, all right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shrug, I'm gonna snap my hips, shrug, and I'm gonna use that power that I generated to move this kettlebell up. All right, so again, right here, as I move it up, I'm gonna punch up. You notice that? I'm not bringing it up here to do that. I'm literally shrugging up, thrusting right here, just like this, and punching. Notice that I shrug up really hard and I punch up. All right, so right here, just like this, coming down, just like that. All right, it should easily come onto the top of the arm, should roll onto it, not slam down. All right, and I come back under here. You see how it's kind of bouncing? This means this weight's a little too light for me. All right, swing back, come up, swing, punch up, swing, punch up. So I'm shrugging, and then I'm punching up. See how my hands are open? You should be able to do this. But with heavier weight, you want to grip it, just like this. Boom. All right, and what I'm doing, all right, if you haven't done it, if you haven't learned the swing, I guess, again, learn the swing first. Feet are hip width, all right? I'm going to swing as I snap my hips, shrug my shoulders, I'm pulling up the weight, and I punch up. I'm not bringing it out here and letting it fall on my wrist. I'm bringing it up here and punching up and let it be placed upon my wrist. It's all technique with this one. Right here, coming up. Not out here, not all the way back, bicep by the air, punching up. Bring it down, right here. Boom, punching up. Punch back, thrust, punching up. Hips back, punching up. Just like this. You're gonna do 5 or several reps on one side, and then I can switch and do the other side. One side's always gonna feel funny compared to the other, but you want it to be this smooth, right here. You don't want it to slam down, all right? You want it to be sit on top of your arm. That's when you know, all right? Start with a moderate to light weight, get the movement down. Then you can work your way up to some heavy weight or moderately to heavy weight. Then you can test yourself in doing a 5-minute snatch test. We're gonna see how many snatches you can do in 5 minutes. People can get up to like 100, it's pretty insane, with like a 24-kilo kettlebell. This is Coach Austin with Hyper Strength and Conditioning. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the things. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.